Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Kia Optima's AC system. First, gather your tools: an AC recharge kit with a pressure gauge, the correct refrigerant, safety glasses, and gloves. It is important to use the right refrigerant, typically R134A or R1234YF for newer models. Park your vehicle on a flat surface and turn off the engine to begin safely. Now, let's find the low-pressure service port. Open your hood. This port is usually on the larger diameter aluminum tubing, often marked with an L cap. It is the only port your recharge kit will fit. Once located, remove the cap and securely attach the quick connect hose. Then, start your engine, turn your AC to its maximum cold setting, and set the fan to its highest speed. With the engine running and AC on, shake the refrigerant can thoroughly. Hold the can upright at about the 12 o'clock position. Squeeze the trigger for 5 to 10 seconds, then release it for about 30 seconds to allow the system pressure to equalize. Continuously monitor your pressure gauge. For example, on an 80-degree Fahrenheit day, aim for 40 to 50 psi. Do not overcharge the system. Once your gauge indicates the correct pressure, you are almost done. Carefully disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure service port and securely replace its protective cap. Now, check the air coming from your vents to ensure it is cold. If your AC still isn't cooling properly, or if you suspect a leak, it is best to consult a certified professional for further diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.